In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a video into your library guide. So I have already created a tabbed box here, which is from another tutorial, and I have added JSTOR as one of the databases available for this type of resources and research. So I'm going to go ahead and add a video from YouTube that I have found. And usually when I'm trying to find videos, I try to find them from an original source. So this video here is actually from JSTOR. It's created from JSTOR, which I feel is more credible. But as you can see, there's a lot of other libraries that have created content. So what we want to do, since I didn't create any of these videos, but I still want to share them, is we want to make sure that we're giving credit where credit is due. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this top resource. And I'm going to go ahead and embed it into my guide. So when you're embedding a resource, you want to actually use the embedding code. So I'm going to say share, and I'm going to click on this embedded, which is going to give me the code for this video. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to add an rich text HTML box. And where it says source, this is how I can add my own code. And if you do know code, you can actually add quite a bit of code into a library guide. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, and I'm going to take that off so that it shows me that it's in its iframe. It's not going to show the actual image of the video until I have saved it. But now I want to actually add a citation. And one of the ways that I do citations for MLA is I use a resource called Excelsior Online Writing Lab. And this is available at owl.excelsior.edu. And I searched for my MLA style, images and other multimedia, and then I have selected an online video. And the difference here is I'm looking at a YouTube video, not an actual DVD or film. So I'm going to take this example, and I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it into here so that I have an example. And I'm going to start filling out this information so that my source is being cited. And I usually have to type this out just to get rid of the highlighted background. And remembering my MLA, it looks like this is from YouTube, uploaded by JSTOR, and they uploaded it July 17th, 2019, I think is what it said, from this URL. And I just want to take off that there. And I'll delete my examples because I don't need them anymore. And now I can say save. So now I have my video tutorial for this database that I have found, and I also have the correct citation in MLA.